the first
No,
oil
I don't,
change.
what do I do?
Just turn it.
Just turn. What about holding it? You said.
Remember, like as you unscrew it, once it's like hand tight, as you're unscrewing it, kind of keep pressure up on it.
Okay, so
Just
first,
crack it first. Don't strip it. Get it on there nice and straight.
Can get closer. You can scoot yourself closer.
Get it. You gotta get it on there nice and good and get it cracked.
Can you give me some safety goggles?
It's not going. Do I need to crack it? Huh?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try
Crack
getting
it
this.
one more time if you need to. Did it come loose?
Nope.
Let me try to crack it.
Can't get it.
It might have been a while. All right, get up, Austin.
I can't get it with my hand.
Use your socket. Use your socket. I'm just saying I cracked it. Keep. You might have to still use your socket. A couple more turns with the socket and you should be able to do it by hand. Make sure you're turning it the right way. I think you're tightening it.
No, I'm not. I'm listening.
Okay.
No, now I'm listening. Wait, I don't know.
Do a couple more turns with the socket.
Got it?
All right, now it's real loose. Push pressure, remember. Is it warm?
Yeah. So I
But
can't.
not hot, right?
No, I can't.
Use the socket a little more if you need to. All right, that's got to be real loose. Push pressure. Push pressure, and then remove it fast. Push pressure. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Just set the plug in there where that little hole is. That's fine right there. That's fine right there. That's fine. That's fine. Nice, dude. All right.
Oh, right here.
Now I'm gonna open the oil drain cap. I mean the fill cap. So they say it might come out faster now. I don't know if that's true. Is it coming out any?
Just gotta drip out now. It's,
What?
now it's dripping. Just like.
Just coming out a little bit.
That's fine. Just let it drip, and then see if you can unscrew the oil filter. Remember they said sometimes it should just be hand tight. The white thing just off. Lefty loosey.
I'm trying to get good footage, Austin.
I just saw that oil thing move.
I can get good next to whatever.
Oh, where's the oil filter? Oh, I see it. Okay, this white thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Lefty loosey. That's right.
Oh,
Are you able to get it off or not?
no. I can't.
I thought I saw that